Name?
Okay, hi.
Hi.
I'm Miriam. I'm from Perugia, and I'm in the most common and you know?
Celebrated?
Yes.
Celebrated? Yeah.
Shop in Perugia for the chocolate, call it Chocolate.
Very good.
And we have the typical chocolate of Perugia that
Okay.
is made in
I'll
here.
go over here. This
Yes.
is it. Hold
Yeah.
on.
And they call it Baci.
This is Baci.
Yes.
And they have different kinds.
Yes.
You got milk
exactly.
chocolate, coffee,
Yeah.
liquor,
Yes.
I heard, and dark chocolate also.
Yes, and they are actually particular because they have inside a quote. So if you open it,
Yeah.
you can find like the Chinese cookies.
So they have some good news sometimes.
exactly.
Oh,
Yes,
very
yes,
good.
yes.
So we gotta do that.
Mhm.
Very good. Okay, well, it was very nice to meet you.
Thank you. For me too.
Okay.